I'm going to show you how easy it can be to take down an entire website. Probably the easiest way for it is DoS. If you don't know what that means, it's denial of service, which makes it so people can't connect to your website. Okay, I found a DoS exploit at millworm.com. Here it is. It works on InVision PowerBoard 2.0.1 and it's written in Perl. If you don't know how to use programs in Perl, I made a video on it. It's pretty easy. But anyway, you just copy this. You would paste it into a Word document, name it .pl, and then you would go to that folder. Okay, and then you just type in whatever you name it. There we go. And a lot of times it'll have a little explanation on how to use it, but this one's self-explanatory. Okay, so we need a host. To get a host, I just copy what it's used on. I already have it entered up here because I just made this video, but it kept crashing Windows Media Player, so I gotta do it again. Alright, and only one came up. If I checked for previous versions, the exploit would probably work on it, but this one is going to work on it for sure. And one thing to test out if it's going to work on it, you can, right here it says doesn't work on forums using code confirmation. So we'll just check quickly, and no. Go to the actual registration page, and as you can see, no form confirmation, so it's going to work. Okay, so now we have our site and we have our program. Path can be found right there. Okay. Now, as you can see, it will slowly, it'll take longer and longer to load. It's up from about 3 seconds, I think it's 3 or 4 seconds it took before, and now it's going up to 20. And I just want to test it with this. Okay, with Firefox, you can see some of it first before the page finishes loading. With Windows Media Player, with Internet Explorer, it's different. Okay, it went up from like 4 seconds to 38, and we'll do it again, and it probably won't connect this time. And with Internet Explorer, it won't connect. See, it takes too long and it just doesn't finish. With Firefox though, it'll just keep loading, even though it's loading very slowly. And there we go, it's DoS. We get cannot connect host. It can be because the host DoS. Connect again, or attempt to at least. You can see I can't. I'll do the connection through Google. And it's not connecting. and that's it. I'll be able to connect again within a minute probably, but if I actually wanted to take down the site, I could just keep running this and there's nothing they can do to block it. Well, they could block my IP and they could fix whatever it exploits, but if I'm using a proxy, they probably won't be able to stop it. There we go. It didn't load again. Let's just see how long it takes it off for. And also, if you did want to continue to attacking the site after it was DoS'd, instead of just sitting here and entering it like every 5 or 10 minutes, however long it takes, you could just make a batch file and then just have it run for a while. But it looks like the site's down. Alright, and it's back up. So it's probably down for about 5 minutes or so. So hopefully you can see just how easy it is to run some of these exploits, and simple once you realize what you're doing. That's it.